In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify password page quickly and easily. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store from the left menu, then select Preferences. Scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. This is where you can customize your Shopify password page before customers enter your store. Here, you can edit the password page message, add announcement text, promote an upcoming launch, or invite visitors to join your email list. If you want deeper customization, go back to Online Store, click Customize, and open the password template inside the theme editor. From there, you can change images, colors, fonts, banners, and layouts to match your brand. Once you finish editing, click Save to apply all your changes. Thanks for watching.